Hello! Once you have created your list, you can manage it in different ways. This session will show you how to add other people as collaborators on your list, how to manage and organize your list and items, and how to add additional information for your students. Within the list, under the List Info button, you can see the list of instructors and the list of collaborators for your list. Collaborators are people who can work on the list with you. Under Manage Collaborators, you can add collaborators. Search for the person you would like to add. Specify if the collaborator should have edit permissions, which gives them permissions to edit the list, or if they should be a list owner, meaning they can edit, delete, and add other collaborators. To remove a collaborator, click on the trash icon. Click Close. This will send an invitation via email to the new collaborators, telling them that they were added to your list. You may also want to make other changes to your list. Clicking on the List menu icon either from the List Info window or from the main list page allows you to edit the list. Now you can change the list's name, for example. From the List menu icon, you can also duplicate the list or view the list as a student or delete the list if you wish. If you want to make changes to a section, click on the Section menu icon and choose the desired action, such as Edit Section Details or Copy the section, which will copy the section name and all of the items within the section, or delete the section. To make changes to the items on your list, just click on the desired item and change any of the information below. You can quickly hide it from your students or set a due date, letting students know your expectations for when they should complete this reading. You can also add a note which will display to your students. This is a way to share additional information with students, such as which pages they need to read or your expectations for this item. And you can add tags, which is a great tool to let students know which items are required, or to notify the library of specific requests. See the different icons, indicating the student-facing versus the library-facing tags. You can remove the tags if needed. For further information about your item, click the Full Details button, where you can also find links and availability. Related items. Item details with more descriptive information about the item and library discussion, which you can learn more about in a later session. To make any changes, click on the Item menu icon and choose Edit Item. Now you can make changes to any of the active tabs and save when you're done. From the List view, you can also open the Item menu icon, copy or move the item within this list or to another list, save it as favorite. Or, if you wish to completely remove an item from your list, delete it. You can change the order of the items in the list by simply clicking on the drag handle and dragging and dropping them to a new place in the list. If you want to make changes to items in bulk, select several items by clicking the checkbox next to each item. Now this Bulk Actions menu opens, where you can perform different actions on the selected items. Delete, add or remove tags. Set a due date or remove the due date. Set or remove notes for students. Enable or disable public annotations for PDF files, and move the items up or down within a section. Under the More Actions option, you can also add to favorites or export. In this example, let's add the essential tag to all the selected items. Here it is. This concludes our session on modifying lists and items. Thanks for joining.